Hello friends, and welcome to another tips and tricks video about the Pronto Canvas integration. Now today we're going to be talking about how a new feature in Pronto helps us answer a really old question, which is, if my course is cross-listed in Canvas, how can I get students from both sections to be communicating together in Pronto? Now to do that, we're going to jump into this English 101 course. This course contains two separate sections, Section A and Section B. As an instructor, I'm enrolled in both, but my students are split between the two sections. When I open up Pronto, you'll see that I have access to two separate groups under the English 101 category, one for Section A and one for Section B. Now, if I want to create a master group in Pronto, but I still want to leverage the Canvas integration to handle adds and drops, I can do so using the course groups function mixed with a new feature in the Pronto course management tool. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to create a new group set, and I'm going to call this group set master group. And it's going to contain all students from the class. So I'm going to split all students by the number of groups. And in this case, I just want one. And I'm going to go ahead and save that. And this is going to take all the students from both sections. I've got 15 students in this class. All of them are now included in Master Group 1. Coming over here to the Pronto Course Management tool, and if you're not familiar with this tool, I encourage you to reach out to us at help@pronto.io, and we'll get you started with this tool for you and your institution. But I'm going to go ahead and authorize with Canvas, and what this does, it allows Pronto to do a quick search on all the courses for which I am an instructor. If I come down here to my English 101 course, you can see there's my two sections, A and B. Now I have my groups, and there's Master Group 1, which contains all of my students. Now the new feature I mentioned at the top is this option in the lower right corner that says automatically add all instructors to course groups. I'm going to go ahead and select that option and click the sync button. While that wraps up, I'm going to come back over here to Canvas. I'm going to open up my Pronto. Looking at my drawer, I now have a new option for Master Group 1, which contains students from both of my sections. Now you'll notice I also still have Section A and B active. This is totally up to you. If you would like to maintain one chat for your individual section and a master group that goes to both sections, you can do so in this manner. If you would like students to focus on simply the master group and you want to archive section A and B, come back over here to the course management tool, click on the sections tab, and one by one, let's go ahead and toggle those off and run the sync one more time. Now, coming back over to Canvas, I'm going to refresh my page. I'm going to click on the Pronto icon. And now when I look at my group list, I have my master group, but section A and B are gone. There you go, folks. That is what you can do in order to get students from multiple sections of the same Canvas course to be communicating in one single Pronto group.